Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the carry-on luggage set, a 22 by 14 by 9 airline-approved travel companion perfect for work trips, vacations, or business adventures. This three-piece set includes 20-inch lightweight ABS hardside suitcases designed for durability and ease of travel, featuring a TSA-approved lock and YKK zippers to keep your belongings secure and organized. Equipped with 8 smooth rolling silent wheels, these suitcases offer superior directional control and 360-degree free rotation for effortless maneuverability. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, these suitcases are not only lightweight but also impact-resistant, withstanding extreme temperatures from 40 to 50 degrees Celsius to ensure your valuables stay protected. The all-aluminum telescopic handle is ergonomically designed with a 3-stage retractable trolley and TPU handles on the top and sides, making it versatile for various travel scenarios. Whether you're navigating busy airports or exploring new destinations, this luggage set promises a seamless and stylish travel experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.